Actress Renée Victor passed away at age 86. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Renée Victor, a veteran actress best known for her voice work, has died according to an international media outlet. Victor's agency confirmed the news, telling us that she passed away on Friday night, surrounded by her family at her home in Sherman Oaks, California, after a battle with lymphoma. Renee's daughters Raquel and Margot released a statement which noted that their mom was loved by so many people around the world, added that those who know her will always cherish her memory. Victor got her start in Hollywood as a singer for a prominent big band Latin acts during the 60s. She started her career in film during the mid-1980s and grabbing credits in projects like Matlock, The Addams Family, Bob, and The Tony Danza Show over the next 2 decades. However, she will most likely be remembered for her role in the emotional 2017 animated flick Coco, in which she voiced the main character, Miguel's grandmother. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.